In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import custom HTML to Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. It helps to do this on a desktop or laptop since the editor and code window are easier to work with on a larger screen. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one brand or workspace. Next, look for the Create option in the main navigation. Click Create, and then choose Send an Email. This opens the email creation flow where you normally pick a template and start designing. For this process, you are not going to use a drag-and-drop template. You are going to bring in your own custom code instead. When the template choices appear, select the option labeled Paste Your Own Code. This is the tool Constant Contact provides for importing a custom-built HTML email. Choosing this option is important because it gives you a code editor where you can replace the default content with your own HTML. After you select Paste Your Own Code, you will be prompted to name your campaign. Type a clear, descriptive campaign name. A helpful tip is to include the purpose and date in the name, so you can find it later in your campaign list. When you are ready, click Save. Saving at this point creates the campaign draft and takes you into the editor. Now you will see placeholder code in the code window. Delete the placeholder code completely, so you start with a clean slate. Then paste your HTML into the editor. Make sure you paste the full HTML you intend to send, and be careful not to accidentally add extra spaces or remove any tags while copying and pasting. If your HTML includes special characters, it can help to paste once, pause, and then scroll through the code briefly to confirm it looks complete and properly formatted. At this stage, your custom HTML is imported into Constant Contact and stored in your campaign draft. You can now continue with your normal email workflow, such as reviewing the layout, checking links, and preparing to send, but the import itself is complete. And that is all there is to it.